Okay, so you have left previous class in string buffer. We have covered almost string buffer. No, no, not detail. Okay, yes, some methods you are discussing. Now today also we will discuss about those methods. Okay, particularly we have covered character rate, length, concat, two lowercase, two uppercase already is, and dot equals method. Now today we'll see about compare to. Before compare to, let us see. Okay, let us go to the program. Okay. Okay, here there is a small program we have written. So we have declared this ch as a character type, and we have assigned a value, that character value, that is capital A. Now suppose I want to know the ASCII value of this A. So what is the ASCII value of this one? So this is ASCII value of any character. So you can write inside println method the character, and before that you have to find the integer value of that character. So how to write? You have to cast, okay, that is called cast to int value, character value or char value casted into int value. So how do you write? In the bracket or in the parenthesis you write int, then character, that variable ch. Now if you run this program, so you can see the value is coming 65. Okay, now if you write capital Z, then you can find the ASCII value is 90. Okay, so the capital A to Z ASCII value will fall in range A to Z 65 to 90. What about a small a to Z? Okay, let us see. You can check in this way. You write A, that is 97. So we will start from the ASCII code 97 to what is the last alphabet? Z 122. Okay, exactly 26 alphabets, so 122. Fine. So now this is all about the ASCII code of this alphabets. Now what about numerical value or the digit value? 0 to 9. So 0 will start from 48, 0 to 9. So this will be 48. And what about this value, this character 9 will have 57. So exactly 48 to 57. How many alphabets are there, or how many digits are there? Okay, 10. 0 to 9, 10 digits are there. So 48 to 57. Similarly, A to Z is 26, A to small a to Z 26. Now let us confirm this our ASCII code. Okay, so this is the value, these are the values for, these are the characters, okay, which we can write with at least 128 characters. Such characters you can see here. All the characters you can find, some characters you can find in the keyboards. Okay, now let us see. Okay, now these are the character. The rightmost column is character, and the decimal value, the first column will show the decimal value. Okay, now you can see 65, right? 65. Okay, 65A. Then for 66, for B character 66. Okay, similarly for 97, the character will be kept small a, and 122 till 122 with Z. Similarly, for digits, you can start from 48, decimal value 48, 0 to 9, 57, 0 to 9. Besides this, there are other characters, special characters. They have different ASCII code. Now, why I am saying? Now let us go to our program. Now, let us try the using comparative method. Okay. So let us comment out this program and yes. Now suppose there is a string. Let us forget about others method. Now today we will see about comparative. I have one string as str s1 as abcda, another string s2 that is fgh. Whenever I call this method s1 dot s2, how this works? So you will start from 0th index of this string. The character is a and it is on 0th index of s1. Okay, so ASCII value is a 65. Okay. Now for E 69 and F 70. Right. For A that is 65 and for F 70. Now let us see what is the value it is coming. So this is string 1 and this is string 2. Okay. So always comparison will start from 0th index to last index. Okay. Here the length is 5, so 0 to 4. Okay. So let me explain this one. Okay. So the character is S1 equal to A, B, C, D and E. Okay, inside double quote. Okay, simple. Now S2 is F, G and H. Now S1 has 5 characters: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at 0th index is F, first index is G and second index is H. So always whenever I will use comparative, it will always check index by index, 0 with 0, 1 with 1, 2 with 2. Now first index, it will start from 0 from the leftmost to rightmost. Okay, from 0th index to last index. So 0th index of S1 will be compared with 0th index of F. What do you mean compare? What is the ASCII code of A? 97, 65. Okay, so capital is 65. Now what is the ASCII code of F? That is 70. It is simply subtract 65 minus 7, that is minus 5. Okay, and the comparison will stop. That's it. It will return that's it. On the first index itself, it has found that those are different alphabets. So no need to say that they are equal. Okay, you are comparing two strings whether they are equal or not. Now how do you compare? You start from the first index, you compare, then it is they are not same. So obviously you know they are different alphabets, so why you compare others? Okay, this is the case. Now the minus 5 will come, so we have also you have got here minus 5. What if A, B and C? Let us see A, B and F. In this case, ABF case, okay, let us see this one. A, B and F. So yes, what is the first index? That is ASCII character in 65. What is the first index of S2? That is also ASCII character of 65. 65 minus 65, that is 0. Now it will go to next. B, what is the ASCII code? 66. The next character, subsequent character, at the first index of S2, what is the ASCII code? 66, then 0. What is C? That is 67. Okay. What is this ASCII code of F? That is 70. 67 minus 70, that will be minus 3, and the code will stop, or the comparison will stop. So let us see whether we are getting it or not. Minus 3. Okay. In case of A, B, C, D, E, since they are equal, so all the ASCII code of all the corresponding index of S1 and S2 will be compared, they will be subtracted, and the final value will be 0. Okay. We will approach the same way, then you can see the final value is 0. Okay, that means both contains equal string, equal character. That means those the values in S1, the string values or the string in S1 and S2 are same. This is how comparative works. Okay. Any other thing? Okay. Yes. One more thing. Suppose what about first string is ABC and second string is ABC, ABCDE and second string is ABC. Are they same? No. Then how do they compare? Okay. What will the value? Why I am saying according to our logic. Okay. Suppose this is. Let us see. Let us start in here. Okay, suppose S1 is A, B, C, D and E. Now S2 is A, B, C. Double quote. Now we will match with index by index. 0th index, first index, second index, third index and fourth index. Okay. Here also 0 index, first index, second index. Now you can see A is ASCII equals 65. 65 minus 65, that will be 0. Then B minus B 66. 60 minus 66, that will be also 0. C also 67, and the corresponding index at S2 also 67, that is C minus 67 minus 60, 0. Now next we will go to the next index, that is third index, but we don't have third index in the S2 string. Does it? Okay, no. There is no such index in the. So how do you compare happens? Okay. So here what will happen? Okay, so whatever the leftover character is there, it will simply return. How many characters are there? There are 2, D and E. So 2 will be written in this case. So unmatched character, number of unmatched characters will return. That will be 2. Let us see. Let us confirm. So this is the case. Yes. So this is 2. Suppose I, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So there are unmatched characters. Only till third index or 3 characters have been matched. Rest are not matched because there is no such index. Then it will return 3. Okay. So it will return 3. On the other case, suppose the first string is ABC and next is DEF. Okay, so what will happen? Similarly you can subtract the ASCII code. Okay, and finally their unmatched index is DEF, but there is no such okay, so the sign will be opposite, that is negative, -3. Let us see. Okay, so in this case, since we are first string is S1, second string is S2, so unmatched characters are there in S2. More unmatched characters are there, so in this case that is -3. So what do you conclude here? This method S1 dot compare to always return 0 when both of these string have same value. In other case, this may be positive value or this may be negative value. Negative value means what? Or positive value means what? This will be either positive integer or negative integer. In that case, you can say that S1 is not equal to, or that string is not, they are not same, exactly same. Okay. Otherwise, what are the other things you can do? You can see S1 dot equals to S2. So this will always return a Boolean value, not integer value. You can see false, but the compare to always return an integer value. In case of matching, it will return 0, or in case of matching of dot equals method, it will return it true. Similarly, what about equal to operator? Okay, this equal to operator, let us try this one. This is also written false. In case of equal, if they are same, ABC, all will return true, and S1 dot compare to will return 0. Okay, so this is all about string, all the methods. Now if time permits, I will discuss about string buffer. Okay, why do you use that? You already discussed immutability. You cannot change the string. Okay, so if you want to change, then you can use string buffer, where they have certain methods or certain functionality that will allow them to make them changes in that string itself. Okay, so later if you time permits, that you will discuss, or next class we will discuss the vector.